Hello, welcome to uh, Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign. Take only what resonates. So ako si Madam P. Ito yung reading natin for you. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Be sure nakafollow ka rin sa aming Facebook, Madam P. Hashtag Madam P. Pag di mo ma-search. Let's start for Earth Sign. Okay. You do have here the Eight of Cups, the Fool, and the Two of Pentacles. Actually, for you, Earth Sign, nakita natin ito as positive. Meron kang journey na gagawin sa buhay mo. Nasisimulan mo tong journey na to kasi you feel like ito yung mas magbibigay ng growth para sa'yo. And marami kang natutunan sa buhay mo, tapos i-apply mo yung mga bagay na natutunan mo para mas magkaroon ka ng growth sa buhay mo. And I feel like it has something to do with your career. So, may kinalaman to sa career mo. No? The star is here. So, ito positive outcome. Nakakita tayo ng success, goal na marireach mo. Once you try to, I feel like yung iba mag-get out or alis sa kanilang comfort zone. Like, you will do this and that kasi tingin mo ito mas makakabuti para sa'yo and mas mag-workout naman nga talaga ito para sa'yo. So, napakaganda. Pagdating sa love, sino yung person na kakonect mo? For Earth sign, Five of Cups. One more card. Okay. So, nagkukunwari lang tong person na to. I feel like nasasaktan or nalulungkot siya ngayon. But with the Four of Pentacles, nakikita natin sinasarili or tinatago niya lang itong emotions na ito. Ayaw niyang I feel like ayaw niyang maapektuhan sa connection ninyo. Pero I can see a lot of pain, a lot of kalungkutan dito sa person to. Kasi with the Knight of Cups, nakakita tayo ng love dito eh. This could be a person in the past or may children na involved sa inyo na tong person na to. Pwede may other options ka or vice versa siya. Kaya I can see other options. Pero nalulungkot siya o nasasaktan siya ngayon. Pero nagkukunwari lang siya na balewala sa kanya yung nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. Tell me more for Earth sign. Queen of Swords, Eight of Wands, King of Pentacles, okay, 12 Swords is here, Page of Swords, Ten of Cups, and Queen of Cups. I feel like With the King of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, kasi medyo utak na yung ginagamit mo ngayon eh. Eight of Wands, you're concentrating sa career mo, sa family. I can see family related na energy dito. So you're concentrating on that. Regarding this person, Page of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. Medyo may hiya tayong nararamdaman dito sa kanya. So might be one of the reason kung bakit nalulungkot siya ngayon kasi nahihiya siya sa'yo or sa pamilya niya or pamilya mo. I can also see family. I can also see family dito sa side niya. So parang ganun, nahihiya siya dun sa mga family na involved dito. I see a lot of love mula dito sa person na to. Kaya lang with the Two of Swords, pareho kasi ninyong ginagamit yung utak ninyo. In the near future. The Hermit, the Lovers, Ten of Pentacles, High Priestess, King of Cups, one more card, Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Moon, this Pisces energy, Judgment. Nakakita tayo dito ng soulmate connection eh. Parang yung match. Pareho kayong match nitong person na to. And with the Lovers, I feel like sooner or later, no, magkakaroon ng partnership relationship dito with the Ten of Pentacles. Parang pareho kasi kayong mukhang pera, parang gano'n. Na magkakasundo kayo sa part na yun. Tapos with the High Priestess, there's a spiritual connection sa bawat isa. The Six of Swords, definitely this person will help you and both of you, no, magtutulungan kayo para mas magkaroon ng growth ang bawat isa at malaki ang maitutulong ninyo sa bawat isa para maku-achieve or makuha iyon. The King of Cups, yeah, I can see this person really likes you a lot. And the Moon, yeah, nakakaramdam tayo dito ng soulmate connection sa inyong dalawa. Regarding the other options, well, I can see may marriage pa nga ako nakikita. You could be dealing with a married person or ikaw itong already married, but I don't feel like magiging hadlang yon in the future sa inyong dalawa. Kasi nakakasundo nga kayo eh. Kaya yung connection ninyo is mas makikilala ninyo yung connection ninyo the more na magkaroon kayo ng pagkikita or pagsasama nitong person na to. And that would eventually happen in the near future para sa'yo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.